Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard. Today, I'll be reading you a poem called Unconditional Love from the book 95 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Girard. Unconditional love. Unconditional love doesn't change his mind for no apparent cause. Unconditional love doesn't waver or doubt like a constant ongoing struggle. Unconditional love doesn't change his mind in a split second. Unconditional love knows what he is in for, and he is willing to dive in despite the challenge for the thrill of the journey. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. Now, I'd like to take a moment with you and think of 3 things from yesterday that you are grateful for. I am grateful for learning a new, new program on my editing program. I am grateful for the dinner I had with the family. I am grateful for my kitties. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.